Hi, it's Lynette here. So I think I had said I would do day 1 to 25 opening of the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar, just so you could see everything that came out of it. And I first started filming this and I was taking everything out the drawers, and I thought, do you know what, I'll take everything out the drawers and then I'll show you. It makes it a bit of a quicker video for you and for me. Yeah. I've been looking for these all over, my medication, hiding behind the advent calendar on the sofa bed. Anyway, so I'm going to go through the items, not as they came out the box, but just as I pick them up. So this was day number 1, and this was a cracker. The Nasha, this was a cracker. The Nasha Denona. Who's Nasha Denona? That's my new brand. Natasha Denona. Can't speak. Honestly, I have not even had a drink. Blush Glow Duo. So the packaging is absolutely stunning, right? You can see the tip of my bedroom there, can't you? Because I've just shoved all the presents and things down the side to go away later. Stephen's here for 8 weeks and Brandon's moved back in, so there's stuff everywhere. Because Brandon's just moved back in. So that is it there. I'm gonna, I don't know if I swatched them for you before, but I'm gonna swatch them now. They're not going to show up because it's quite, you see more of the scars from the oven than the ironing. But yeah, they're beautiful. Looking forward to trying that out. That cushion's annoying me, sorry. And what else have we got here? So we've got this gorgeous Luxie brush. Now I thought to myself, I've already got a highlighter brush, but I was speaking to one of my friends, Julia, and she uses it for an under eye powder. So I thought, putting powder under your eyes, I thought that's a really good idea. So I will keep that. Plus up there I have a full set of Luxie, so it's actually going to go Luxie. I can't speak this morning. So it's actually going to go and live with my other Luxie brushes. And we got this, so I was delighted with this. It's the Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream, because in every set that I've ever got, I've never got a night cream from Elemis. It's always been the day cream. Or if I have had night cream, it's very small. Oh, I just love the smell, it's gorgeous. Anyway, so that will be put to good use. And I'm really pleased I decided to keep everything until Christmas Day. It was my friend Karen did that last year. She opened the days and then kept everything until Christmas Day. So I thought that was really good. So this was one of the products that she was missing. It was the Illamasqua. That was day number 12. It's just my colour, I love it. Yep, so I'm looking forward to wearing that. The other item that she was missing was day number 19, was the Natasha Anastasia Beverly Hills Natasha, honestly, lash brag. The packaging's just stunning, isn't it? I've never tried this brand at all, any of their products, so look at that, it's just stunning. They did offer her a partial refund, and she said, look, could you just send me a substitute? I promise I won't peek, but I'll put it in my advent calendar. I don't know if they actually sent her it. So yep, so we've got 1, 2, 3 makeup items, so I'm definitely on my way to doing a look with this one. It's not makeup heavy, Look Fantastic, but that really suits me. But the makeup that we did get was absolutely fantastic. So I got this Mina, and it's cream eyeshadow. Now, when I tried this, when I tried this before swatched it, it did not budge. It stayed on my hand. I actually couldn't get it off. I had to rub it with I thought I'd put a little bit of cleanser on it. Nope, I had to really rub it. So it'll be interesting to see if my my Elemis Balm shifts that later on. What else did we get here? We got the Philip Kingsley. Oh, I feel sorry for Lisa. She can't stand this product. So this is a deep conditioning treatment. So it's the elasticizer that she doesn't like. But I think I've given all mine away, but I am going to try it. It looks kind of orangey, but it doesn't smell orangey. But I love the packaging. They rebranded. Now this is one that I was really pleased to see. It's by This Works and it's Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. So it is a multitasking beauty sleep saviour for better nights and brighter mornings. So it's supposed to help you sleep. So it's got powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, cram and camellia sativa oils to nourish, support and preserve skin vitality, and pure essential oils of lavender, vetiver and chamomile to help improve sleep. So it says it's a 2-in-1 sleep solution. Now, you massage it into your hands and your body and you breathe in deeply. I think this is quite a new product to This Works. However, Lush Sleepy for me is like, it just sends me off to sleep. It doesn't work if I'm like too overly tired, but there's just something about the scent. So when I saw this, I was kind of delighted because I know that I love the Lush Sleepy one. Oh, it just smells gorgeous. Yep. Just sit and sniff myself. Although lavender gives my husband headaches, so I'll need to check. I don't go overboard. This next one is one that we see in the beauty boxes quite a lot. It's a really expensive brand, so we do get it. It's Avant, and there's rose quartz hyaluronic sweet almond avocado oil revitalizing and firming mask. So there we go. So how do you use that? Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, allow to absorb into the skin. You don't wash it off. So that to me is my favourite thing. And I'm assuming you just put your moisturiser and everything on top of it. This was a brand that I haven't really tried a lot of. I think I've tried their eyeshadow and the blusher. They do a really good dupe for NARS Orgasm. So this is Sleek Makeup Mattifying Primer, soft focus finish. I'm getting to that age where I need that. So looking forward to trying that. One of my favourite brands, and Lisa will laugh at me about this. This is Molten Brown Delicious Rhubarb and Rose. She laughs at me because I recently spent £22 buying myself, good to myself, a treat of the Rose Absolute. Sounds like vodka, doesn't it? Molten Brown shower gel. I absolutely love it. So it was just a wee treat. I was buying one for a friend, so I picked up one for me. So this would be about £7 odd. So it's still really good to get in a box. The next one. Now I'm not doing this because Lisa, when she opened the Tanlux Super Glow Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum Gradual, she tested it on the back of her hand and then she sent me a photo hours later. And it had kind of developed on her hand. So I will mix that through with my moisturiser just so it is a bit more gradual. So yeah, although the fine print, I think I'll need my I'll need a magnifying glass. Now this was day 25. This is a really, really lovely brand, Espa 24-hour balancing moisturiser. Yeah, so it's made in England. There aren't any ingredients on it. However, I will look up the ingredients online because with things that claim to be hydrating, you usually find there's a lot of glycerin. So if you want something really hydrating, look for glycerin as the second product on the ingredients list. There we go there. I don't really want to dunk my fingers in it, but it smells amazing. So I'm looking forward to trying that. The reason I don't want to dunk my fingers in it is because I've got a lot of moisturiser to use up. So I often think once you start dipping your fingers in things, bacteria grows, so you really want to use it quickly. Although I do go in with clean hands. My hands, you know, I've been touching packaging and everything. I've become so aware of everything that I'm touching during this pandemic. And we have kept this channel, we don't say the C word on this channel. We have kept it free from that chat. I don't think it's come up. Try to keep it positive because we're all on here for a break from real life, aren't we? So this is Omoravica. I think I've got it right, Julia B, if you're watching. I think she has an aunt who is from Hungary. She's Hungarian, and I'm sure it's Omoravica. And this is the Hungarian brand Omoravica Budapest. This is an amazing brand. I've had a couple of products that I've been kind enough to have friends that have sent me them. But this is, wasn't actually really sure what it was when I first opened it, but it's a face mask. So I'm going to stick my nose in it. Oh, it just smells so lovely. It smells like a spa. If you've ever been in a spa. Or a kind of, you know, like somewhere you can get your eyebrows done that's a bit more upmarket, that uses essential oils and things. So this is a face mask. First time you use it, pop it on for 5 minutes. Then the next time you can use it, depending on your skin sensitivity, you can use it for 10 to 15 minutes, leave it off, on, and rinse it off. So it must be, it must have something in it. So what's it called? The Silver Skin Saviour. So there must be things in it that could perhaps make your skin quite sensitive. So things like retinol, you need to build up if you're using retinol as well. So you don't just go to like a 3% retinol. I'm get comfy, my legs are really sore today, guys, sorry. I'm fidgeting around. This will be my last video sitting on the floor though, because I've moved the advent calendars. This is another brand that I really like, Rodial. And it's the Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. I just love the name of it. It's a micellar water. And it's got the lid, so you just pump, you could put your reusable cotton pads on the top and you just pump this and it brings it out. I can't speak today. I've got nail polish bottles that are like this, although I don't use those anymore since I've found the Boots wipes. They are fantastic. Now this is a brand I really like, Caudley. It's another expensive brand as well, and it's their purifying gel cleanser. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. Eve Lom as well, Eve Lom cleanser. Now there's quite a distinctive smell to this cleanser. It's a different, unusual colour. Oh, doesn't smell, smells a wee bit different. Maybe my nose isn't kind of working properly today. So that's the Eve Lom cleanser. I've been lucky enough to be sent one of those from my friends as well. And this is a kohl, an eye pencil by Diego Dalla Palma. I'm going to pop it in the back of my hand. There you go. So it's a fine one there. So looking forward to using that one. And I've got a brand here that I love, E-Cooking Vitamin C Serum. They're vegan, cruelty free, and fragrance free, and kind of free of all the bad stuff. I think I've said it before, if anything has vitamin C, it'll be in coloured glass, because the sunlight destroys vitamin C, so you'll never see it, or you should never see it in clear glass. Now this is a product I kind of love and hate. I love the brand Ren, the Ready Steady Glow Tonic, and I do use it, but it nips my skin. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it nips my skin. So I have a love-hate relationship with it, and it's cruelty-free, so I might pop that in. I'm doing a makeup bag to send to my friend, but it has to be cruelty-free. Well, it has to be vegan-free, and ergo kind of cruelty-free as well. So I've been looking for things that were cruelty-free and vegan, although I can't see vegan, but it does say cruelty-free. So I might pop that in. And we have here Clay Away Body Cleanser by Mayo, and it's a 2-in-1 wash and mask for your body. So that's something different. I do like trying different things. Now this is a brand and a fragrance that I love, and I think somebody had mentioned in the comments, it's Ritual of Sakura, and it's their Cherry Blossom from Rituals, and I think somebody had mentioned in the comments that they like the Happy Buddha, and quite often you do get the Ritual of Sakura in boxes, but this is one of my favourites, luckily, and I did open it. It's a body scrub. It smells amazing, so yeah, I am looking forward to that. I don't think I was sure whether it was a sugar scrub or a salt scrub, but I wasn't going to lick it. So there we go. We're getting there, guys. And there's a Filorga Time Filler Absolute Wrinkle Correction Cream. Again, that's a smashing brand. There's a Lord & Berry Perfect Brow. No, I need that. I'm always running out. And I got really good ones from Primark, and I can't find them again. So I'm like spending like £6 on them. So there's a really nice colour actually for me. There we go. And last but not least, This is from Glove, the company who usually do the makeup remover. It's a silk eye mask. Yeah, what do you think? I just have to go to one of my back rooms. So my back house faces onto, I can't be dramatic and call it a forest because it's woods. It's not a forest, there's woods. So my back rooms face onto the woods. So if you go into the woods, don't go into the woods. If you sleep in any of my back bedrooms, you do not need an eye mask because there is no light coming from anywhere. However, the front street, there's a bit more light. So yeah, you wouldn't need this if you're sleeping in the back bedrooms. Maybe if you were doing a night shift and you're trying to sleep during the day. But yeah, I think Brandon wears an eye mask. I know he brought one home. Or it might have been Antonia. So yeah, I'll see if one of them wants it. So that was the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar. And I'm going to show you the makeup items that I got, because I'm definitely able to do a look with this one. So I'll film that if I'm bored over the next coming days. So the Blush Glow, Nasha Denona, as she will forever be called. The Mina, the creamy eyeshadow. The eyebrows, here are my eyebrows. The Kohl, the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Ilmaska lipstick, and the primer. So yeah, so I'm really delighted with everything that's in this box, and it's just been fantastic. I think they've just absolutely smashed it. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. I'm away to get my Christmas. It's not really brunch because it's in between lunch and dinner, so will we call it lunar? Speak to you soon, guys. Bye.